Okay, oh my people. Happy weekend to everybody. Good afternoon, every one of you. I bring a greeting from Victoria Gasteiz, Spain. God bless every one of you. I am Faith in Nagbare Osamoyi, public known as Divine Faith or Robosadi Talkative. Today, I want to talk about the video I saw about 2 weeks ago on social media. So I want to talk about it. God bless every one of you in Jesus' name. My lovely Africa people, my prayer people back home in Nigeria and here in Europe, in America, in London, in Canada, I bring greetings. I'm here to give my opinion, contribution. I'm not here to insult anybody. So listen to me and be blessed in the mighty name of Jesus Christ. If I talk about human brain, so yeah, human brain, make I tell people the reason why many people they behave the way they behave. That video, when I see that video, I watch that video, I cry. Yes, I cry because similar thing don't happen to me last 2 years. Very close. What happened with that girl? It just like what just happened to me. But no me pepper. They put for inside my private parts. We Africa, we get bad mind. The truth never be that one. Our mind today very, very strong. I tell people, say, white people, they not enslave Africa. Africa sold themselves to white people. Just take, for example, now, this media, phone, computer, laptop, tablet, everything they use. These white people, they give us, maybe they educate ourselves. Maybe they more clever, maybe for them more smart. Now they do this phone. Everything we they see today, when we they use, when we say we can't use that, they maltreat ourselves, maltreat our people, they embarrass them, they disgrace them, they cause people shame, they cause family tears. Then they give to us, so we say, they educate ourselves. Now the thing is supposed to be. But today, my people, they use them till they cause damage, problem, tears, death, pain, full everywhere. According to that guy, because I wait till I see the video after they don't arrest all of them. Make I hear what's in they want talk. According to the guy, you come from Ghana. What you can't do for Nigeria not concern me, because you be Nigeria person. You come for Ghana, they invite the girl. The phone come lost. So with all your English, as you educate rich, with everything we say you go learn for school. What you go fit do now to go call native doctor, make it can help you find phone. With all the level of your education, the native doctor is still collect 28,000 naira from your hand. Then he tell you say that the girl now he carry the phone. Without the same level of your education, you not feel ask the native doctor say fine. You say this girl carrier, make the man juju. Make the sham or make the I don't make the black magic. Tell now where the phone dey. If she send the phone or she give am to another person, I said the man if he dey zero so that the girl nice thief the phone, the man supposed to tell now where the phone dey. If not true, say in dey work. But no, most of all of una not doing. Una should to drag that girl to uncompleted building. Naked the girl and put pepper for inside the girl private parts. So you whether you talk to police people now. Who want join you? Who want defend you? Even if you even take lawyer self, the lawyer will say he go. They will say he go stand defend you. The lawyer na say bad person. if me I be lawyer, I know they defend people like you. I cannot defend wickedness. I know say that they work for their money, but me once lawyer me say he go defend you. That's I'm put for one corner. I'm talk about my own. 2014, they work for one place. They do carpenter. 2014. There's a particular girl, lady, now white girl. She always dey come. One of the people in the when we say she dey monitor. She dey always dey come they take pictures. What would they do? That very day, I dey up. Up when I did now this thing now with the climb back. We say you know fit jump on down. And what would they fix with the fix roof? The fix roof that day. You know if you take and now head with the whole something, you pull. I'll do like a Oshuka. What they do for Nigeria? I put on for my head. I will use air take away the thing. They would knock down for all. We see this girl. Not be only me when we say she they take picture. They snap picture. After we don't close, we don't change. I thought the person they carried me, the person car. She come meet us. He say whether we see our phone, that's your phone. He say our phone lost. To me, not concern me because me, I know the one I did. Now hope I did since morning. Neck they pay me. I they feel headache. And I will tell you how much we come out. After I work for the contract finish, everybody don't go in way. I got a year for news from Nigerians like me. Say I steal their phone. This place now, people we are more than 100 people. But now let me want be the Nigeria girl when they there. Nigeria person when they there. Among everybody, let me be Nigeria. Boy again, let me be Nigeria. Let me want now they also take for them. Nigerians like me, they say I steal their phone. Nigerians. Thanks for watching. They say I steal their phone. 2014, these Nigerian people like me, Nigerians, plan with doctors for a year to call my phone number, make I come for also text. They go and shook something for inside my private part. When I complain, once Nigerian people tell me, Nigerian, they said now their country now they feel do what they like to me, Nigerians. Because they don't see uncle probably drag me go. They don't see where for the see look at me, video me. They connect with doctors, yeah, bad doctors, yeah. They call my phone number, I get the proof. They call my phone number, they come make I come one hospital like that. I read the person who don't know me, they said they want to operate me. They show something for inside my private parts. Like yeah, they for happen. So Nigerians get very bad acts. If they call an animal, no go say no, how can they be calling me animal? And because say your character, they be like animal. Now animal must be. Waiting differentiate you or waiting make you different for animal. And because say you feel a talk with your mouth. When I see that girl that day, I shed tears. I cry. I pity for that girl. Because when Nigeria go feel do that kind of to me, we do to that girl, they for do more that I want to me. Nigerians. We get bad acts. Africa, they do wicked. If you want draw devil, they go draw black. It is true. Our men too, they very strong. Just imagine now the level of education with that guy gets. See that you can English with the guy maths. You say your phone lost. You know you invite police. If you can go, you do cash out. Where do you not tell you where the phone day? Where do you not tell you how the phone there waka? Where do you not tell you where she said the phone, where she put her? What you not do not rather get to building? Put pepper for inside the girl private part, naked the girl, video and see upload that video for media. Maybe people they see her. If they call an animal, who na go the verse, who not be an animal. People we still there, the video now. People they clap and they follow now. Till the girl they cry, nobody rescue that girl. Nobody thought say I don't do more, I not do one. What make you different from animal? And because say you get capacity to talk, now your speech now make you different for animal. So if they call you animal, you don't have to be angry. See where you be. That be this one. Most Africans now they be down with this one. But the eye, the brain what they get, the brain, their brain, this level, this thing, see so reptilian, see am. It too high. It too high. So people get 70%. And what it make them be human, they just 5% because they can talk. There's nothing different between you and crocodile. There's nothing different between you and a snake. Una be animal. If you be Nigerian or Africa, if they engage yourself in this kind of acts, you are nothing but animal. I call you animal because una say do unto me, una try unto me. Yeah, for Spain. I'm not talking. I'm not lying. I have the proof. And if you think I'm lying, prove me wrong. You people, you know my address, you know my phone number. Una too they wicked. Africa, una too they heartless. Una man strong. Na animal una be. Waiting make una be human just 5%. And because they una feel they talk. Now they see yourself una be human, una be animal. You are nothing but animal. Now una be. See ya. Me put her here. Una be animal. Now una be. I tell you, we have an animal brain. Every human. See ya. You might be get them. Animal say get them. See this one again. See ya. Una see so. Una see this one so. Animal see get them. You might be see get them. Where is it differentiate you? What make you that different from animal? Because you can talk. But if you cannot use your mouth to say good thing, to say stop, don't do it. It's bad, it's wrong. You be animal. Animal cannot talk, but they have feeling, they have emotion. Animal cannot control their anger, because if you cannot control your anger, you be animal. If you cannot control your emotion, you be animal. You are nothing but animal. Now you not be. I said it. You be animal. You know my phone number, you know my address, you know my name. Sue me, and I will answer you for court. I had that proof. Nigerians too, they did it to me. We some Ghanaians, we some Ghanaians. They did it to me. Una be animal. Now una be, see ya. Una be animal. See ya. Now what you be this one? Number one, see ya. Now be this one. It too high. This one, una get 70% for this one. And yeah, una get 5% for this one. Yeah, when she make it up in human being, no only get 5%. And because una fit talk. Now let 5% brain not get for this area. Because animal animal not they talk. So animal they communicate. They cannot talk. See una be animal. I said it. Faith in Nagbaro Samui said it. I said some Nigerians, some African people, they're animals. Now animal not be human being. See animal they don't get this one. Now let's speech, not the truth for animal, not get this one. So when una brain for this area, now only 5%. Now una get for this area. Una be animal, look at very well. Una only get 5%. Now animal una be animal. That's who you are. Animal. See yeah, you not get 5%. Una be animal. Yeah, una get 70%. Everything better than just anger. Una want kill, una want destroy, una want they think. You do finish before una call the regrets. Una be animal. Now una be. I said it. Una be animal because you don't even try to me. In Spain again, you plan with bad doctors to harm me. You plan to operate me. You send something into my private part. The same thing you did to Aga, here in Europe, here in Spain, Nigerians, they're planning they do to me. I'm leaving Victoria Garcia, Spain. Yes, they will send one Ghana boy come. Maybe could put to my private parts. Yes, they say I stole their phone. The phone is not steal. There's no proof. Even on my phone, I buy everything I'm using. I have phones. I have different kind of phones. I have the proof. Now be animal. That girl did not steal that phone. Una just want this. Una just want. Una just ask that girl. Maybe I not toast her. She not agree for una. And they very wicked. And waiting na be this una be animal. Out of these three things, when make you might be the fortune. What you call it with your brain, your emotion, your talk, everything. See, in this area, una have 70%. Una there is no balance. Without balance, look at it very well. Without balance. Now I'll be animal, I'll be. Now you not be Nigeria, people from Africa. Most of you are nothing but animal. Now you not be. I said it. If you think I'm lying, maybe what I said today is not true. Do you know my phone number? Do you know my address? Go and sue me. Nigeria, they say do unto me. That's too they wicked. I be evil. Waiting differentiates you from animal because you can talk. You go school, you cannot say stop. Before they come naked that girl, where you there? Before they come say they want to put people, say everybody, where you there? You start the video. Nobody feel hold the guy hand and say stop, don't do it. Nobody say no, don't put your shirt. No, don't do it. No. Una refuse. Una make sure say una deal with that girl finish. Una upload the video. Maybe for the scene. Now be animal. Now una be. I said it. If you engage yourself with this kind of act, and if you support evil, if you follow the evil share that video, you be animal. If you follow share that video, you gonna be animal. I'm not get acts. Now be animal. Not the heart like animal. Everything about an animal. The animal you people just do eye. All of us we get brain like animal. What an animal gets, we get them. Everybody, all human, they get them. But waiting make us better than animal because we can talk. Animals, they see they communicate with themselves. Even animal, they see they defend. They defend their people. I don't watch many documentary. You can see animal they fight for a fellow animal. They defend them. But Africa, when you stand watch people die. Now, if you start watch, make it apple. Even the girl can't even guilty. Muto said the girl she stole that phone. She stole the phone. You don't have any right to naked her and put something to a private part. What you can do is to take her to police station, let her return your phone or return your money back to you. Not be animal. So do you when if you catch person say you steal phone, that would you know if you tell now where the phone dey. Did you when you catch person say see na she take on? You know if you say add the phone even take waka. They still collect your money 28,000 naira collect for your hand. Bros, you be too fearless. You just finish. Too a waffle. Ufo where they be all man and you see get wife you see get pikin. Drop person go on computer building naked and finish. Open her two leg, carry fresh pepper, put them for inside. Now get out. Now be animal. You are nothing but a crocodile. You are nothing but a snake. You are just a fool. Now be animal, not be. Even unless people they collect bail. If anybody will go bail the person a bad person, you need to pay for what you have done. Make una pay put. And what thing I said today, if they say maybe I lie against them, they should come and arrest me. Yes, and when I said it, they said at first you are lying. They should come and arrest me. I had the proof. They did it to me. So I pity for that girl. I know they can't pay to get a fee today. For uploading that video alone, social media, I know what is to get a fee. Naked, they get from head to toe. Everybody see and finish. You do finish. What did God see add? No say private part. God had done. God when we say he had private part between two legs. Make leg the cover. You know what they do. What is it they make? Private part we say God see add. Now carry and sleep. Open the two legs. Make now video and shoot paper for inside. Now get very bad mind. Now get bad hearts. Africans are very wicked. And what I said it. Oyibo people, white people, they did not enslave you. Now you sold yourself to them. That's what I'm telling you. Start selling your people. In Victoria, Nigerians with Ghanaians on Ghanaian, they sell me to Igbo people. They want to use me to do experiments. That will last 2 years. Even this year, I said I letter for inside my room. They said they want to look something for inside my private part. Imagine you're there, my ass. Later go your come. Say make I come so place. They want to look at my private be. I get letter for inside my room. Nigerians will be animal. You people just wicked. You people are heartless. The animal they say just too high. The animal in Africa is too high. The level of animal is just too high. It is time we start the balance on ourselves. Make us try make us be human being. And beg the beggars today try to be human. Africans try to be human. Do everything in your life. Balance your brain. Try to be human. Okay, see, try to be human. Let this one eye pass the rest. Let this the level of locutus in you eye pass the level of the rest brain you have. Let this one eye give space to this one. Let this one eye pass. If this one eye pass, you feel to control your emotion. You fit dey control your anger. You dey think and reason like human being. If you too low, you be animal. You are nothing but animal. I said it. You be animal. See, if this one too high, animal you be. Oh, if this one just too high, the level of this brain in you, in your head, it too high. You be animal. Now what will be this one? See, if you cannot control your anger, your emotion, maybe they balance things. See, animal you be, because an animal they get them. Animal you be. Now animal they very. But see, animal. Now animal they be like that. Animal know the reason. Animal know the thing. Animal they bad, they go back you. You be animal. Now na big. See, I said it. See, look am very well. If this one, see this one so, then put this one, call journal. See it. I say it to you. If this one too high, you be animal. See, look it very well. Go and do the research. Go and Google it and do the research. Look at very well. If it's too high, you be animal. Look at it. Just for today go on. See, it done. I just reason. See, now waiting animal not get be this one because animal not feel they talk the way they talk. So now waiting make you different from animal. Now you be this one. But most people in Africa, they get just 5% of this one. Out of 100%, they get 5%. So go and Google it today. Google it today and try to balance yourself, balance your brain, balance everything. Because see, all of us will be animal. When it make me they different from animal because I can talk. I feel they say no. I feel they drag. Animal say they drag too. What do you mean if you say I can talk and they compose something and they do and they so I feel carry phone, they arrange things, they do something. That make it different between animal. Even some animals they do it too. So now small thing like this, now make us they different from an animal. So if they call you animal, don't get angry because the animal in you is just too high past the human in you. They call you animal, don't get angry. It's because the animal in you is higher than the human in you. Simple as ABCD. So, when see me at the bad Nigerian government, federal government, and Edo state government, it's good to arrest those people. It's good to put them in jail if they deserve jail. But it's better you people find a way to remove that video out of social media. In Europe, if you that kind of case, what first they go do, they go first bring that video down. Remove that video out of media. That is the first thing they're supposed to do. They arrest those people. Make them not leave them. No, they must pay for what they do. Oh. They must pay for what they do. Please look for one word or the other to remove that video. That video made the baccarat, made they remove that video out of social media. Anything like that, what you're supposed to do is to remove that video because people are still sharing the video. The video is everywhere. People are still sharing the video because the girl now they don't even finish the girl. Even if they can't go jail, come back, shame everything. What is coming with the girl body again? What you call it? What is the girl one wear cloth cover tomorrow again? You know there. Then they can't even open the one where God say go ahead. Everybody see him. So would they beg you or please remove that video? Nigerian government, federal government, look for one the order to remove that video out of media. Now Europe now since that day when they see and they don't really remove them. We are begging you. Please remove that video out of media if you can. Look for one the order to remove the video out of media. That's what we are begging. But Africans will not be animal. Most of us. Now, they are animal in us. They are animal in Africa. Not me because I not be animal. I be animal in one part. I just be human. All of us get an animal brain. So the animal in Africa, African people, most of them, not be all, most of them, it dey very high past the human in them. The animal in you is too high past the human in you. So I beg every one of you, try your best to be human and stop getting angry. So stop that they complain if they call you animal. Because it's the way you behave, it's the way you do things. I call movies for animal. Even I don't see they go to social media. It not concern me the level of education. What you go do, I go tell you say you are nothing but an animal, now you be. Because the animal in you is just too high. The brain of an animal in you is too high. That's the brain of human in you. So people, they will be complete animal. What make the difference is they can talk. The speech, finish. Everything there, they get anger. They don't control their way. That after they call it regrets. Now animal, when they behave like that. Human be the balance things. Human be they sit down, they arrange. Human be they organize. Human being, they take on, they get patient, take reason. Now, if that human brain you cannot oppress the animal in you, you have big problem. If the human in you cannot overcome the animal in you, you have big problem. Africa today, their brain of animal, the animal in them, is too high. And the human in them cannot oppress the animal in them. So we say have problem, violence in Africa today. Because the human in them cannot oppress. It cannot overcome the animal in them. The animal in them is just too high. No matter their education, no matter the level of everything they have for this life, they still remain animal. We both drop devil, they go draw black. It is true. Before I go the verse, now the verse. How the verse put again? They do and work because Africa will get bad mind. Una very, very wicked. I don't see many. These men don't make us see so many things. I not feel stand wash. Me with the material person for my president, whether guilty or not guilty. And I know some people like that. So they go push it. You cannot try. Maybe they don't even know you before. They want to defend you. They will put their shirt. I don't see one day for Spain, yeah. They want to oppress me. Get one lady. I don't know her before. She run come. I tell you what's no. I say something happen. No. She don't put her shoes. So what's the one try so? She dey start blow. I don't know her before. We don't finish everything. Police already come because her sister. I don't know you because she can't tell me her name. I don't even know. That one you might be. The rest people they be stand. They be surround. They want to know what you want happen. But this what did she do? She put her shoe. She put her boots. We say oh, call the belly like for ground. She dey say blow. You're the first day. She not carry phone. How the record person. She don't carry phone the record. She drop back, pull her boots. Blow. I don't know why she don't even know me. We don't feel because my sister. I don't know what to be your name. Come tell me my name. Make sure don't mention they be not mad. We grieve. We shake hand. We share number. She that boss. She come out. That's not what maybe you might be. If you they stand the world they do bad, you be animal. Now you be. You're nothing but animal. Africans, most of you are animal. Eronko, amoha, ewahin. Eronko ni, amoha, animal. That's what you are. Animal, now na be. I said, want to me to not try for European. I said, try. They accuse me of phone. They say I not steal. Phone one not steal. No, I don't my address. Europe, people they use your phone. Tell police. Police they will control. Tell police say this guy steal my phone. You go police station. They will control. They will control me. If they follow me my own, they will control me. But you have because you want spoil person. You want stain person garment. You want stain the white clothes when I wear. You want put stain. You say I steal person phone. The same thing that get too. Maybe the girl just innocent person now. So I'm here to just to tell you all that it happened to me and it happened to most people. Most people now what we see now they talk about what the one we will not see, we will not on video. Many women are there, many girls are there. Some men they maltreat them, some bad men, not be all men. They maltreat people. It happen for everywhere. Yeah, now person say they betray me. Person he dey very close to me, man. A guy. One day I'll talk about it one day. Guy. Because out of envy, wickedness, jealousy. Because I don't know anything to run. Now I ain't go to plan with them. May they come harm me. So when I know they're very, very close to me. So animal in people. It they very high that the human in them. Most of people they waka, they don't not be human being, they be animal. They're just animal. Animal they be. Animal they be. So when I was there, now my contribution opinion say I need to give to for this matter because I just supposed to do this last week because of the Nigeria election at the change date. So I am not happy when I see people they cry, especially they suffer. I cry with that guy. I feel a pain because it still happened to me. Doctor go to show some private part. That was 2017. Nigerians and they grab if I lie, may they go sue me for this thing, for this thing, for court. Or may they go police station, may they go to report me, say I did lie against them. And when I say anything, I just sit down, just talk. Please, let us be human. Let the human in us, human in our brain, they more higher than the animal in us. Because all of us will get animal brain. And of course, when they talk, they make us different from animal. Animal, they cry. They get feeling, they get emotion, they give birth. Animal, they do so many things. What would they do? Because we feel they talk, they make us different from animal. And never allow the animal in you, they higher than the human in you. In everything you do, try to be human. Please, in everything we do as Africans, I'm begging you all, try to be human. Think before you act. Okay? Think before you take action. Let the human in you speak for you. Don't give chance to animal in you to direct you. Let the human in you be the one to speak. Let the human in your brain be the one to think. We beg every one of you. We beg every one of you. Enough of this. The one they maltreat woman. It's wrong. And I know, not all beyond male. So women are more dangerous. When I say Nigerians, I'm not talking about male alone. Nigerian men and women, female and male, they join together. Not be only the men. So Nigerian women, so African women are more dangerous. So I'm going to talk about jungle justice from next week. So I just try to give my opinion about what happened to this girl, because it still happened to me. But no, they not use pepper. They not put me on social media. But it happened to me. They deceived me. Go hospital. I mean, they go to shoot something from my private part. It happened to me for Spain, 2017. It just happened to me. So I have to go now. Let us just try our best to be human. Thanks for watching, everybody. You can watch the video later. I already finished. I'm already close today. So let us be human in everything that we do in life. Because Europeans or white people did not enslave Africa. Africa sold themselves to them. And they are still selling people till today, till tomorrow. They are still selling people. I've spent 18 years here in Spain. Waiting I can't see, waiting Africans they do, the kind of opinion, advice so they give to Igbo people, it make me they fear Africa. Now only African person go tell Igbo say do whatever you like to them. Na your country, na your day. Does he tell you? They'll tell you, and so no be you go meet them, no be you come their country, and their country they can do whatever they like. When you go so Igbo man go say, who try here? No fit happen. Yeah, go so on. Go do no say what Apple call us. We'll stand for you. People. They will say no. Don't even give them a chance to even try nonsense to you. They go invest say when they go try that kind of thing. Then you go see Africa, Nigeria, female and men, women and men, lazy people, lazy human beings that refuse to work, that I believe on social benefits. They're going to tell you say it is their country. They can do whatever they like, including some pastors back home in Nigeria. Now, what would they face every day? Now be that one for this Europe. African, they be animal. I said it. Faith in the Bible say Africa, you put your animals. Or you both you say they know if you try. Or you go stand for you say, go and sue the right query. Go and sue the other go try. Then Africa goes and tell you say, and so what? No be you go meet them. Yeah, and their country then they get their land. They can do whatever they like to you. That's African people for you, because the animal in them is higher than the human in them. So it is time we try to be human. African, I beg every one of you, try to be human. Try your best to be human being. Do everything like human. Reason like human. Think like human. God bless every one of you. I have to go now. See you all next week. I am Faith in Nagbaros Amoji, public no advocate of the talkative. Please, Nigeria government, Edo State government, do your best to remove that video from social media. That is the best help. The best help you can do for that girl, the best justice you can give to that girl is just to remove that video out of social media. Please, we beg you, in the name of God in heaven, let that video make the people know they see him again. That is the best thing you can give to that poor innocent girl. Because I call the girl innocent person. Juju when if you catch person, when no fit tell now where the phone dey. I just fake juju. The juju is fake. God bless every one of you. Bye bye. See you next week. God bless you. Awu. Ciao ciao.